How to view your watch history on TikTok. Hi everyone, it is GuideHacks, and in this video I will show you how to view your watch history on TikTok. Now let's get started. First we need to open our TikTok app. Then we should go to our profile just by clicking on the profile icon at the right corner at the bottom. Here we should tap on three lines at the top right corner. And in appearing menu we need to tap on Settings and Privacy. Now in subcategory Content and Activity we should find option Watch History and press on it. Here we can see videos that we watched during the last 7 days. Also you can tap on the settings icon at the top right corner and clear your watch history just by clicking on Clear History and confirm by clicking on Clear. And that's all. It was how to view your watch history on TikTok. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we would appreciate if you subscribe to our GuideHacks channel.